Uncover the latest technological innovations available on Amazon, including a versatile clock that acts as a wireless charger, phone stand, and ambient light, alongside an iPhone lens with the remarkable ability to magnify objects up to 800 times. These essential gadgets are poised to enhance your daily life. MOMAX Power Bank. Get ready to be wowed by this amazing gadget. Even though it looks like it's taken apart, it's actually a powerful 5,000 milliamp hour MagSafe power bank. Covered in tough tempered glass, it looks great and can handle scratches, making it both stylish and durable. Perfect for tech fans, it's more than just a pretty face. The best part? It comes with a super versatile stand that adjusts to fit your needs. Whether you're watching videos or scrolling through social media, you can position your phone however you like for maximum comfort. The stand fits perfectly in your hand, so using your phone and the power bank together is a breeze. Plus, there are handy lights at the base to show you how much power is left. And with options for both Lightning cable and USB-C charging, it's compatible with the latest iPhone and Android models. It might not charge super fast, but it's a reliable choice for topping up on the go. Ready to help you out whenever you need it. iWox charger. For a speedier charge and a more compact power bank option, iWox choices are top-notch. They plug directly into your charging port, eliminating cable clutter, and are lightweight while securely attached to your phone, making them ideal for calls or multitasking. What's more, with your phone attached, they easily slip into your pocket, giving them a big advantage over other power banks. With a capacity of 4,800 milliamp hours, it juiced up my iPhone 13 Pro Max from 20% to 95% in just an hour and a half. The latest versions for iPhone 15 promise to charge up to 50% in only 30 minutes. I highly recommend this product for its effectiveness and convenience. Prepare for an exciting adventure into the world of groundbreaking gadgets and awe-inspiring tech innovations awaiting you on Amazon. PALATINO clock lamp. This all-in-one gadget, combining a clock, wireless charger, phone stand, and ambient light, could be a fantastic addition to your workspace or bedside table. Its sleek design is certainly eye-catching, but I did encounter a few design drawbacks. While the clock lamp looks great, it's limited by needing to be plugged in, which restricts where you can place it. Also, despite the base needing wired power, the clock itself runs on batteries. The wireless charging feature didn't quite live up to expectations, often requiring multiple attempts to get the phone positioned correctly for charging. And contrary to what the seller's images suggest, you can't charge your phone while it's on the stand on the base. However, I was really impressed by the ambient light modes, offering 3 different settings to customize your room's ambiance effortlessly. Plus, there's a USB-A output on the back, so you can charge another device using a more traditional method. iPhone 4S wall frame. Prepare to be captivated by something truly remarkable, especially if you share my fascination with how things work. Apple enthusiasts will be wowed by Grid's iPhone 4S wall frame, a stunning showcase of the inner workings of the iconic smartphone that changed the game in the mobile industry. Say goodbye to that old hunting trophy hanging on your wall and bring your office or man cave into the modern age. I'm confident this is exactly what Steve Jobs had in mind. The frame itself is solid and feels like a worthwhile investment. Every intricate detail is meticulously highlighted, inviting us to take a closer look time and time again. So what do you think? Doesn't this make the perfect gift for the tech lover in your family? Get ready to be blown away by not just one, but two groundbreaking creations that will leave you in awe. These latest tech innovations are just a click away on Amazon. MIAO Lab Phone Microscope. The second lens, crafted to clip onto your phone, boasts up to 200 times magnification and includes a built-in flashlight for better visibility. Although it does offer some magnification, its performance might not blow you away. To really zoom in, you may find yourself turning to the iPhone's optical zoom feature. Still, it provides a fun experience for a bit of time. IMICRO Q2 camera lens. Let me introduce you to two devices that will awaken your passion for capturing close-up images of everything around you. The first lens, as compact as an iPhone lens, boasts an impressive magnification capability of up to 800 times. While achieving focus can be a bit tricky, the results are truly astounding, revealing detailed close-ups reminiscent of images taken by a decent microscope. Imagine intricate shots of insect hairs. To adjust the magnification, you'll need a special app with a maximum setting of 240 times, despite the lens's claim of 800 times magnification. Nevertheless, the results are still impressive. It's crucial to have good lighting when using the lens, as you'll need to bring it quite close to objects to capture detailed close-up images effectively.